Are you an expatriate employee in Bahrain worried about changing jobs? Is your current employer refusing to allow a local transfer? No need to worry. The Labour Market Regulatory Authority in Bahrain has introduced a major update to empower expatriates seeking local job changes. Welcome to Wisdom Reloaded, where we explore stories, updates, and happenings from around the world. Today, let's dive into the latest labour market regulatory guidelines in Bahrain that could transform your career journey. Local transfer process is only available if the expatriate employee's work permit is valid for at least 5 days. Initially, the employee has to go to any post office in Bahrain where the employees have to send resignation letter through a registered post to the current employer. From post office, you will get a pink form as a confirmation. Now you can approach your new employer. As usual, new employer will submit local transfer application along with copy of passport, offer letter and the pink form received from post office. Once a transfer request is submitted and approved by the Labour Market Regulatory Authority, the current employer will be notified via the expat management system about an expatriate employee wishing to transfer. Then the current employer must take the necessary decisions. If the expatriate employee has not completed 12 months under the current work permit, then the employer has 3 options. The employer can approve the direct transfer, or the employer can approve the transfer after the required notice period. Usually, the notice period is 30 days or as per the employment contract, or up to a maximum of 90 days. And the final option is the employer can reject the transfer. If the employer does not take action within 7 days, the system will automatically reject the transfer request after the notice period. In this case, employee has to start the procedure once again. If the expatriate employee has completed 12 months under the current work permit, then the employer can choose between the 2 options. Either approving the direct transfer or approving the transfer after the required notice period. Usually, the notice period is 30 days or as per the employment contract, or up to a maximum of 90 days. If the employer does not take action within 7 days, the system will automatically approve the transfer after the notice period. Once the transfer is processed, the previous employer will receive a credit note in expat management system for the unused period of the work permit. Please note, the expatriate employee must continue working for their current employer, and the employer must continue paying the monthly fees until the transfer is approved and the new employer pays the new work permit fees. The new employer must pay the work permit fees within 30 days of transfer approval. Otherwise, the approval will be revoked. In some cases, transfer is not allowed, such as non-compliance with one or more conditions for issuing a work permit, if a final criminal judgment for any crime, if any violation of work permit conditions by the expatriate employee, if the new employer lacks the required Bahrainization quota or has a violation that prevents them from applying for transfers, if the employee has a violation that prevents their transfer, if the transfer request is made within the last 3 months of the work permit's validity, the transfer will not be allowed unless the current employer consents. As in most Gulf countries, the employment of migrant workers has long been regulated by the traditional kafala sponsorship system, under which migrant workers are tied to in-country sponsors. These sponsors must grant consent for workers to obtain a visa, an exit permit, or permission to change jobs, a system that largely remains a source of exploitation. Under the kafala system, migrant workers have faced excessive work hours, passport and salary withholding, abusive recruitment fees charged by agencies, or even months of unpaid wages. However, Bahrain stands as an exception among Gulf countries. According to current Labour Market Regulatory Authority guidelines, employers does not have the right to hold an expatriate employee's passport. It is the right of the expatriate employee to keep their passport in their possession. Last year, the Bahraini government took a bold step by collecting expatriate employees' end-of-service indemnities from employers and distributing the payments directly to the workers, ensuring better protection of employee rights. I've already covered this topic in a separate video on my Wisdom Reloaded channel. Feel free to check it out. Under the Labour Market Regulatory Authority supervision, this new system grants expatriate workers greater freedom and protection, including the right to leave their employer unilaterally and seek new employment. If workers face any violations, exploitation, or abuse from their employer, the Bahrain government allows them to report the issue freely at any Labour Market Regulatory Authority branch. That's all for this topic. Please subscribe, share this video in your WhatsApp groups, and let's support expatriates living in Bahrain. Thank you.